This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Lock all doors and windows. Do not watch your TV after this message. There is a cognitive hazard which we will call the screenslaver effect. We will update you until further notice. I repeat, this is not a test. Lock all doors and windows. Do not watch TV after this message. We have found out this cognitive hazard is contagious. The symptoms are coughing, vertigo, and misshapen eyes. We will update you until further notice. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Do not watch TV after this message. We will be bombing New England as a result of this cognitive hazard. It is highly advised to pack your bags and go to other states immediately.
What is that which the breeze or the towering steam, as it fitfully blows, half conceals, half discloses?
Now it catches the gleam.